don't need to figure everything out. Everything happens in its own time. I trust that all I need to know will be revealed to me with clarity. For now, sleeping is all I need. All mistakes I've made are only lessons to be learned. Even as I fall asleep, all is well in the outside world. I know there is a higher order of everything that ensures all is being tended to. I am easy and gentle on myself. I am cozy and comfortable in my bed. I move in the direction of good choices. I am lifted higher even by the darkness of the night. As my body sinks into the mattress, all worries and stresses melt away. I am completely enveloped in protection and grace. There is nowhere I need to be and nothing I need to do but sleep. I have a compassionate heart that knows what needs to happen in my life. It feels so good to rest. My breath rolls in and out like the waves on the ocean. This moment is a gift. I let go of all the need to feel like I should be somewhere other than my bed. I am thankful for all that I have in my life. I allow any thoughts to pass through my mind, coming and going. I am fully capable of falling into a deep sleep. Sleeping happens naturally. I give in to it. I allow for great healing and rejuvenation during my rest. I savor the moment just before falling asleep.